Hi guys, and welcome to Bite Size Excel. In this video we are going to introduce the NOT function. Now NOT is a logical function in Excel, and basically what it does, it reverses the results of a logical test. So basically if you are trying to ask it whether 59 is larger than 60, if it's not, it will return true, and if it is, it will return false. So in this instance we have the question whether they failed the course. So we want to do our logical test equals NOT. We want to know whether our pass mark is not greater than or equal to our coursework pass mark. And in this instance, because it's less than 60, it returns a true because that logical test is not true. And it will then be a false where everything is above 60. This is another logical function that's very useful to combine with your if function. We'll touch on some further uses for this in later videos. I do hope you found this useful. Please do like and subscribe, and I will see you on a later video.